I'm gonna join.
Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're gonna playing Escape Running Head from Bibi and also my brother. So hello, Bibi and Bodso.
Okay, wait for me, bro.
Yes, I know.
Hey.
Hey, hello. Yes, I know.
Okay,
So let's go. So anyways guys, if you see my video, so make
Okay,
sure
let's
to
go.
like and subscribe guys. So anyways guys,
Subscribe.
yes, subscribe to
Waloy.
subscribe to
David?
my sister's channel.
Haha.
And also she's nice.
Waloy.
And also this my brother, he's nice because I don't know.
Deren.
Didn't.
Deren.
Okay. Yes, it's didn't. Okay. So.
Wait for me.
Yes, I know.
Should have not gone there.
Gotta wait for you. So, anyways, I'm pro master. Only got one.
Boy, you're not a pro.
Bugatti. I'm a pro.
Bugatti.
Oh, I have
Bugatti.
280 coins, I guess.
Bugatti.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Idiot.
What the heck? I know I'm going to wait for you.
I restarted because
Okay,
I died.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for her. Okay, let's go to the header.
Let's go.
I'm a pro.
Where are you?
No, I'm right here. Okay. Yes, I'm a pro. Let's go.
Yo.
Yo,
Where are you?
I'm right here. Look, I'm right here. Okay, the guy looks like your. You know what? The guy looks like your mama. The guy looks like your mom, Bibi. Okay.
Obviously not.
Yes, I know.
Whee!
Yes, I'm a pro.
Yo, where are you? You left me, bro.
Okay, I will
Wait, where are you?
I will just
Like
follow
and
you.
subscribe.
Yes, I know. Like and
Waloy.
subscribe. Where are you?
I see you, Kali.
Yes, I see you. I see you too. So, anyways, me and Bibi and also my brother are going to play Escape Running Head, guys. So, this is the easiest game in the world.
No, it's not that easy.
This,
She's much harder.
yes, but it's easy, right? Come on, Bibi. Let's try this, okay? So, this is the easiest game. And also, my brother is a pro. Because they
Wait,
cannot.
don't forget about me.
I'm going to small it. Oh God. Where are you?
Hey, wait. This is
wait.
why.
What on earth? Okay, where are you? Where are you? Okay, so wait.
Waloy.
Hului? What the heck? Okay, so only got
Okay, I
280.
made it. Where are
Yes.
you?
Where are? Oh my God. Haha, noob. Oh my God, did I just die
No,
or
where
something
are
else?
you?
I'm right here.
I see you. I see you.
Yes, I'm trying. Oh my God.
Bye.
Jumping on a bed because it's a player.
Wine.
Come on. Skibidi toilet. Oh wait, are you skibidi toilet? Okay.
My classmate named Bree named me that.
Yes. Yes, I know.
See you later.
Yes.
Hala! It's
Oh, what
an
the-
egg yolk.
Egg yolk? What is egg yolk? Egg yolk.
Boy, wait for me, kuya.
Okay.
For me? Baba.
I'm waiting for you. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, bye.
I said,
I'm gonna leave you alone.
okay, fine.
Where are you?
Okay.
Say.
So we're at the stage now. We're at the stage now. We're at
Kuya,
stage
where are
2.
you?
I'm right here. Come on.
Waloy.
Where are you? I'm at the... Why are you so angry?
Waloy.
Why are you so angry?
Other side.
Hey, Bibi.
Waloy.
Why are you so angry? Where are
I'm
you?
not angry.
Where are you?
Green, red, and blue. Blue, where are you?
I said, where are you? Wait. Oh, it's you.
Bye.
Okay, yes, I know.
Let's go.
Come on. Okay. Oh, he died. Okay, someone. No. Oh.
Waloy.
No, not fair. Okay, that's good.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for you.
Yes, I'm gonna wait for him. Okay. So he's wanted to this one or something. I'm gonna wait.
Oh,
Come on, Dowie,
wait,
the dough man. You can do
Dowie.
it. I'm believing you. Poopy.
Wait.
Oh wait,
Okay, let's go.
you have 1 health. Oh my God, you have 1 health. Okay. So yes, that's a lot of damage, I guess. What the heck? Why there's so flipping there? Okay, flipping.
What
Flipping.
Oh.
Come on, baby. You can do this. It's easy. Ah! Bros.
Died.
It's not hard, it's easy, right? Okay.
No, it's hard. Not easy.
Why? Okay, it's hard.
Waloy!
This is the easiest game. I'm easy, you're hard. Okay.
My biggest.
Yes!
This is one.
My biggest fan! My biggest fan! Oh my god. March 2? Huh?
I don't.
Baby, where are you?
Oh no. Oh no.
Where are you?
Boing, boing.
Oh wait, I saw you. Skibidi Toilet and Dowie the Doman. Let's go! Stage 3! My baby! My baby! Oh my god! I'm not beside on you. Oh my god.
I'm not teleporting.
Yes, I'm not teleporting now. Okay, so this
Coming up
is the big new update. This is the big new update. Only got 300. 300 coins. 300 coins. 300 coins.
Waloy. You joined.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, and this is TV Toilet and also Dowie the Doman. 2 to the 1 is Chubby Confused.
Oh my god.
You're a TV man. I'm a TV man and you're Skibidi Toilet, Because your classmate is annoyed because of this big fat girl.
Okay, if I'm not that, bro.
You're not fat, you're weak. She's fat, okay? She's
What
bad.
the hell?
You got this, like this. Oh, like you got this like this, okay?
Waloy.
Come on, baby, I'm gonna wait for you. Okay, yes, I
Where's
know.
Dowie?
Where's Dowie? I'm gonna wait for him. Yes, I know. Oh, hello. Hello, okay. Yes, yes, you fell. Oh my god.
I'll see you next time.
Yes. Oh my god. Wait for me. No, this Felipe. No. Wait for me, Goblin. Wait for me, Goblin. No, this Sigma. Sigma,
Sigma boy.
It's Sigma, Cindy. Oh my god. Sigma. Where are you, baby?
No, come
Okay, and I wanted to
here.
an hour. Yes. Yes, guys. So, ano ba, guys? I don't. You need to not leave, because lean. You need to lean. You need to lean now.
Yo!
Lean.
I want to lean.
No. You died. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna wait for you. Wait. This.
Waloy.
Okay.
Waloy.
What's that teleporter? Oh, it teleports next to this. Okay, let's go.
Wait for me, please.
Okay, I'm waiting for you. I'm gonna wait for him.
What?
Hey. Oh my god. Hey you. You filthy head. You look like a car. Hey yo, you're sexy. Ah!
What did you say, bro?
Nothing. It was a Felipe, not you. I'm not asking you.
Yo,
Oh wait, it's not you. Oh wait. Hello baby girl. I love you.
don't kiss me.
Mwah.
Do not kiss me, bro.
I just kiss you.
Please.
Hello.
the Doman, the most sexiest character in
Yes, I know. The sexy. Wait for me, baby.
I
Hey.
don't want you to kiss me.
I wanted do. Hey, I wanted to not kiss you.
Well, you're not in this. Okay, see you guys in the checkpoint.
Yes. Wait for me. What did you? Wait for me.
I'm in a different server, but I think you will United level.
United States. Oh, it's me and you. A baby and me. Wait for me, baby. Those sexy. Hey yo, stop doing that or else I will just win.
Okay, see you guys in the next level.
See you guys in the next level.
Wait
Oh, no.
for us.
Yes. Wait, where are you?
I'm in a different server.
Hey babies, look at me. I'll just scare you.
Baby.
Ah, yeah, I just scared on her.
Wait.
No! Oh my god. Come on, this way. Baby, this way. Come on. Follow me. Come on, follow me. I'm not scared, right? Come on, follow me. I'm running very fast, okay?
No, I'm the one.
You're the one? Okay. Let's go to Skibidi Toilet. The baby Skibidi Toilet. You look like a baby house. Okay. Okay, I'm not kissing that in a baby house. Okay.
No.
Oh my god, I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait for you. There is lag or something else. Let me know in the comments. Haha.
Okay,
Exclamation
guys.
is
I'm not. Let's reunite.
United States.
Okay. Maybe
Unite.
guys, let's reunite in the next level because I'm in the different server.
Yes. Bibi.
Okay.
Wait, where are you?
I'm lost.
Ah, wait.
I
Wait.
don't know where to go from this part.
Wait. Are you in there? Oh, wait.
Okay,
Wait for me.
I'm in stage 5. I'll wait for you guys.
Wait for me. Bibi.
Tell
What are you doing?
me you guys are
Give
in
me the toilet.
level
Oh my god.
5.
I get lost. Oh my god. It will get lost very soon. Okay.
Guys, tell me if OMG.
OMG.
Guys, tell me if you guys if
Okay.
you're
That's easy.
in level 5.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh my god. Bibi house. Bibi house.
or else I'm gonna
No.
leave.
No, I'm not. No, please. I'm begging you.
Joke lang, babe.
B. Okay. I'm going to jump scare on you. Wow. Yes.
You did it just
I'm gonna jump scare you because I love you.
Wow.
Okay. Let's go.
Wow.
Oh wait. This one. Okay. Oh, this
Whoa,
this
my
the
God.
video. Oh, easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
Are you guys in level 5?
Easy. Let's chat.
You guys are in level 5?
Wait.
Almost.
Baby,
We
wait
have
for me.
teleporting.
Wait for me, baby. Wait.
Where are you, Kalik?
Oh
no. This part is so hard.
It's so easy.
Platform. It's not.
Oh wait.
I'm here.
I disconnect.
How?
Okay, I did a disconnect, bro. It's not bad.
We
It's not bad.
reunited.
Wait for me, baby. Wait.
I need to find the exit. I can't find it anywhere.
Easy. It's now easy.
Dead end.
Hey, I found you. I found you first. Oh wait, you. Oh my God. I just see you in a different server. Hello, Doy the Doman. I miss you too. Did a big new update. In my head.
Bro, baby, follow me.
Where are you? Guys, where are you? Where are you guys? Okay. Where are you?
Finally, I got.
Wait, can I jump higher?
A bit
Or not? Oh wait. I can't.
Hey,
Hey,
I'm gonna leave Kalik. Sorry.
where are you?
Wow.
Guy looks like Sandy.
Just follow me.
Ow! The guy looks like Sandy.
Instead of going left, baby, instead of
Oh,
going
wait.
left, you have to go right. Okay, but there's no right.
Come, I'm going to. Baby, follow me. What's this? It's easy, right?
Wala. Give me that tablet then.
Come on, baby. Look at your face. It's so weird.
Waloy!
Waloy. Oh! This the easiest game. Come on. Come on, baby.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Come on. Look at this. Come on, watch this. Okay, that's easy. Right, baby? So, anyways, you should just run, okay? Baby, let's go to this in the stage. Come on. Come on, let's go. It's easy, right? You know what?
That's the way you can get.
I'm gonna take a minute.
I'm coming.
Bro, why is it taking so long? It will take 13 minutes ago.
13 minutes ago.
Yes, I know.
How long?
Where is it? Come on, baby. Let's
Wait. Baby, are you
let's
straight?
run into.
Wait a minute.
Bro, I just died. Come on, baby. Come on.
Yes, I made it.
Yes, thank you. You made it that now. So that's good. It's easy, right? It's easy. Like this. Okay. Yes, it's hard. Yes, it's hard. Right? It's hard. I just played in a very long time in 20. So that is easy. The easiest game in password. Come on.
Then.
Come on, baby.
Why are they so fast? I don't know.
Oh my god, I'm lagging. Wait for me. Guys, wait for me. Wait for me. Okay.
Waloy. I'm almost
Oh my
to the
God.
finish line.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes, I'm gonna finish line. We're almost to the finish line, guys. Okay, so
Yo, can
No.
someone touch this?
no, it's not. It's dangerous,
Why?
right? It's there's purple and red. Right? Let's go there. Come on, baby. It's dangerous. Oh, it's the big new update. They just updated it.
Wait.
Wait, I'm gonna beat that
Hi,
game.
Papa.
Wait. Hey, baby, where are you going? I'm gonna wait for him, okay?
Whoa,
Hey!
whoa, whoa. No! OMG. OMG.
Come on. Oh my god. Oh, you survived. Okay, come on. We should gonna beat that game. We're gonna beat this game. Because it's hard. The Relo is like, hey yo, it's your dad.
Wait for me, Kuya.
Okay, it's 51. Okay.
This is kind of hard.
Mama!
Hi,
Oh.
Papa.
Yes. Oh! 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 Oh my god, I didn't even just touch it.
It's a trap!
It's a trap, huh?
Wait, guys, wait.
Ow! It's not a trap. It's easy. Come on, baby, where are you? Hey, baby! Oh, wait, it's you. Oh, wait.
Wait!
Oh, wait, where are you? Oh my god, it's a trap, huh? Oh! Oh my god. Wait for me, baby.
Okay, bye-bye. Debussy.
Debussy.
No,
Oh!
it's a dead end.
Where?
Okay, bye.
Where are you?
I'm in stage 6
Wait,
now.
wait lang. Wait.
I will wait for you.
Why? Come on.
Hey, Dowie.
Bro, I'm gonna get sick of this game. This game is so medium because it's easy.
Whatever you desire.
Wait.
Life is like a
Wait for me, guys. Only got stage 6. Come on. Let's stage 6, guys. So, anyways, guys, that's the longest video in the world. So, anyways, guys, this is a hard challenge. Wait for me, baby. Hey, Stewie Toilet, wait for me. And also Dowie, the Doman. Only got 330. Come on, guys. Also, I'm gonna get 1,000. 1,000 I think is. Okay.
How many Robux do you have, Kuya?
I don't know. Only got 0. I have, no, I have coins. I have 300 now. I have 300 now. Come on. Oh my god, let me in. Oh my god, I'm gonna get stuck, I guess. Okay. Whoop. No. Oh wait. I should I get there?
Wait for
Ah,
Adrian.
wait for me.
Bill, just wait for Adrian.
What is Eldria? Oh my god, I'm lagging.
It's a trap.
Oh my god, I'm lagging.
I'm trapped.
I get lagged. Bro.
I'm trapped.
Oh
My
my god.
reset.
Oh my god, I just squeezed my ball. Okay. Wait for me. Where are you? Wait, are you in the toilet? Oh wait, I found you.
No bullies.
Yes. Okay, let's go. Come on, baby. Oh wait. Okay.
Jimmy's.
Hey, baby. Come on.
No.
Oh my god, it will take so long. So, anyways, guys. And also, we should just join this server. Oh wait, wait. Is that you? I'm gonna walk into her. I'm one into her. What the heck? Ah, boo! Ah, I found you guys. Oh, yes. I won. What the heck? Wait for me. Come on, I need to beat this game. We need to beat this game, guys. Okay. Guys. Okay. Oh, wait. The music. Oh, wait. Oh, this music is gonna be cool. The guy looks like PS9. Oh, God. Okay, that is easy. The guy looks like your mom because your mom looks like because
Why is that guy over
Okay.
there?
Yes.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, I know. Okay. Oh, jeez.
Hey, where are you?
Okay. Oh, wait. Hey. Ma, please. I was trying to
I'm winning.
wait for me.
I'm lagging.
Oh my god, I'm lagging.
No.
This is, oh my god. What the heck? No, mama. I'm waiting for you. Oh my god. Baby. Okay.
No, it's fair.
Okay, I just fell too. That's good.
Where are you?
Wait. There. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, boing. Yes. Oh my god, there's no Philippine there. Why there's no Philippine there? Because it's new updates in this game. Okay, let's go. Let's get to it, okay? I was always there.
Where are you? This is so fun.
Where are you? Oh my god.
No!
Oh my god. I gotta wait for him. Her. Oh wait, I just kissed Tia Sunday. Come on, flip ahead. Why is it jumping? It's jumping. Ow! Oh my god!
No!
Oh my god! Bouncy! Bouncy! Oh my god! Bouncy, Tia Sunday. Oh my god. Oh my god! They gave me trampolines! Oh my god, they gave me trampolines! Yes! Bouncy, I'm waiting for you. Ah! No! Ow! Tia Sunday.
You're getting falling.
Okay. Ouch! Ouch, Tia Sunday!
Why is it so hard?
Tia Sunday, wait! Oh my god. Wait for me.
My mom isn't.
Ouch!
Ah!
Alright.
Then I'll try it then. It's too easy for me.
It's so easy, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wait. I'm bouncing with my I'm bouncing with your mama. Ouch! What was that? My face. Ouch! Hey, what are you waiting for? Go. Ow! Come on. I need to jump.
How
Whee!
about we are now play 3008?
Because it's so lagging. I can't. Stop with my baby. Yuck! Hey, yo, stop! Don't please stop. I love you. Oh.
No.
Oh my god. Ouch! It's Tia Sunday, like I looks like you. Bro, it's taking so long.
Okay, easy for you.
Ouch! I ate myself.
How dare you?
What the heck? Do you respond? Ouch! Oh wait. Hello, baby. Baby. Aha. Oh, let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on, we should able to do this skibidi toilet and also do it the doman. Do it the doman. Okay, that's good. Do it the doman. Hey. Gone. Ouch. What is impossible? Wait for me. Wait for me, guys. Oh wait, it's Adi one.
Why? You look dying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wait for me, baby. Hey. Hello, Sangalib. Please stop. Please. Because I'm your friend. Oh god, let's wait. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm waiting for you. Okay. I also gotta get done. Hey. Oh my god. I can make this. Okay. Hey, Dory the Doman. Where are you? Oh my god, wait for me. Be here. Wait.
No!
Wait for me. Oh my god. Oh, no, it's so hard. Oh my god, how?
I'm gonna watch.
Wait. Oh my god. Bro, it's so hard. It's the hard time. Come on. Ooh, yes. Baby, we're gonna watch. I'm gonna ruin you. So high. Oh wait, these and these. Like you. Oh my god! I fell now. I fell to that thing. Okay, we're gonna make it now. So we're very close. Okay, so anyways guys, that is the easiest game, impossible yet. This is my friend and also my cousin. My cousin Chloe. Cousin Chloe, actually. Go! Skibidi, skibidi. Ha, skibidi. Huh? Ouch! Ouch! It's season, is it hurting? Yes, indeed. Ah! Let's go. Beat that TS on this place. Let's go beat that. Okay. Look. Come on. Come on, we should gonna beat that game. Come on, we gotta beat that game. Where we gonna beat that game? Do not hurt me. It's your baby. Yes, we're gonna go up, guys. When the video ends, guys, I'm gonna decide. Okay, I'm gonna add the very soon. Goodbye.